I've got a friend here, and he seems to say to me that he was quite keen to meet you.
Oh wow! My hi Maverick.
Hold on, it can't hear you.
Hello, how are you?
Hi Maverick.
Hello.
So let me introduce
Yeah,
you.
hi.
Keyur Bhagat. He's a big fan of Suzuki, a big fan of yours. He was talking about you already. He was like, oh, I'd love to meet him one day. I would love to meet him. I was like, yeah.
Wow! I'm so happy to see Maverick. My dream come true.
Then you will be more happy because I'm here to tell you that you win the MotulSuperFan to came to ValenciaGP.
I'm so happy. It's my dream come true to see you.
I wait you in my box, huh?
Yeah, I'll see you in Valencia for sure.
Yes.
Welcome in Valencia, Keyur. You are our super fan for Valencia.
Yes,
Are you ready
I'm ready.
for a dream weekend? So this is MotoGP paddock.
Okay.
It means you will have access to all the backstage, everything,
Wow.
during the full weekend. Meet Maverick Viñales. It will be your best achievement of the weekend.
I mean, the number of followers, bikers, riders are there. They have been following MotoGP. I mean, it's getting more popular nowadays in India. I mean, if you see, all the bike manufacturers are they already in India, and the number of clubs also they are following MotoGP. And in fact, we have a group of MotoGP fan club is there. So we all get together and see the MotoGP live on the big screen, Be on the track, it was awesome, Yesterday also I was there on the tracks, I was there, and that the feel you get, that was just fantastic, and especially the sound, it just boosted your blood, hearing the sound of the bikes. But seeing it live and seeing it on the TV is completely different. My dream to be here and watch the MotoGP live, and especially meet the riders of Team Suzuki. So this is the best moment of my life. It's going to be lifetime memories for me. Thank you, and all the best for the race. I hope to see you on the podium today.
Yeah, I hope.
Yeah, you will. Races, the rider, the technology, the thrill is there, I love thrills. Even I ride motorcycles, we also go, I have a number of clubs, friends with me. So mostly once, twice or thrice in a year, a month, we go for a long rides.
Hey, super fun! How are you good?
Yeah, good.
We are in a good position.
Yeah, I saw that.
You will enjoy it.
Yeah, all the best for the tomorrow.
Super fan.
Good, how are you?
Nuestro de Suzuki hasta la muerte.
Hello, how are you? Good.
Good. Hello. Hi. Seatbelts? Yes, sure. I'm getting surprises after surprise, the day 1, day 2, day 3. It's all my dream coming true. Say, for the 26 years, I have not missed a single MotoGP race. And I've been following Motul also for 26 years. A commitment for 26 years with one brand only.